Hey Petri boys, this is Mrs. Forsman, your English or language arts teacher. I just wanted to send you guys a quick video just kind of navigating the English Google Classroom. So if you click on your classwork, now this is from my view, this is what you guys are doing tomorrow, so you guys can't see that one just yet. You'll see that it's broken up into different weeks. This was our first week of school, and this was our second week of school. So I'm missing a few assignments from you guys, and one of them is this bio poem and t-shirt design. It's what we did last Thursday and Friday. So you guys can click on that, and it will open the assignment. There's the instructions. There's a little Google slide for you to go through, kind of explaining the assignment, as well as the two documents that you need to do the assignment. Now, I know that you guys might not want to print, and that's totally fine. There are directions on there that if you do not have a printer or you don't want to print, you can use loose leaf to complete your planning and freehand sketch a t-shirt outline for the artistic portion of this project, okay? So that's one of the things I'm missing from you guys. So if you guys could work on that assignment for me and just take a picture and send it to me, and all the directions will be in this slideshow. So you can click right there, and all the directions and explanations about bio poems will be right there for you guys, okay? So I would love if you guys could work on that for me today. Additionally, if we go back to your language arts or English Google Classroom, if we look at Classwork, I know there was some issues with the DGP. Let's go to week of August 24th. So daily grammar practice is something that we do at the beginning of every language arts class. It's kind of like our bell work. Students eventually, once we get used to how DGP works, they will come in, or we're moving classes, I will go into their classroom and they will work on that day's assignment for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll always discuss the answers, okay? So I know you guys were trying real hard to send me stuff earlier this week, but can I show you a quick way to do it? So let's look at Mondays, where you had to find the different parts of speech. So you can click and open that. You can go through and click on each of these and type in what part of speech each thing was. And you might be thinking, wow, Mrs. Forsman, how do you know what all of these are so quickly? Well, additionally in your Google Classroom, if we go back to Classwork, up here is a material. It's called your Daily Grammar Practice Reference Materials. And in the classroom, we actually just jokingly call this the big scary packet, because their packet is like 6 pages long. I think yours is 6 pages long as well. So it's a bit intimidating. So you can use this as your notes to help you navigate each day. So like on day 1, the one I have open here for Monday, where I knew the parts of speech so quickly, it'll give you a little explanation about each part of speech, a couple of examples, and then right here, usually in parentheses, it'll teach you what abbreviation you would use to show that a word is that part of speech. Now, I'm not sure you guys also noticed this, but let's go back to that Monday assignment for DGP. The instructions. There was also a video, okay? So as we're starting off with DGP, I will send you guys a video for the first few weeks for each day, just going through the answers until we start to get a hang of it, okay? So you guys can watch that video, and then you can open your own slides and follow along and put the answers in as I am. Now, eventually we will get to a point where I won't be giving you a video explaining it every single day. I'll ask for your day first, and then I'll send a video so I can see how you're doing on your own without me going through and explaining each and every bit. Now, here's kind of the tricky part. Once you have typed in your answers, in this case the answers for Monday or day 1, you can just share this whole Google slide with me by hitting share, and then you can type in my name. So my name is Katie Forsman. And even if you just type Katie, Katie, look, I'm the third Katie that pops up. Now, you probably don't want to send it to these other Katies. She's the 8th grade teacher from a couple years ago. That's a mom. That's still a mom, another mom. Okay, so be sure you're sending it to Katie Forsman. Now, if you're like, I'm not going to remember that your first name's Katie, that's also super cool. You can start typing in Fore, F-O-R-E. Oh, look, I'm the only Katie Forsman. So that'll be super easy. You just click that, and then you send it to me. So then I'll get an email saying that Corey Petrie has shared with me his Monday DGP. Now, I understand I'm doing this on a computer. I bet it's probably a little bit different on an iPad. If it is and we're struggling to share it, that is 100% okay. If you want to, on a loose leaf piece of paper, you can write the sentence. In this case, dust covers a butterfly's wings. And then above each word, you could write the part of speech that it is, just right above it, and take a picture and send that picture to me. If that would be easier for you guys, that's totally fine. So, big thing I want you guys to work on today, I would love if you guys would work on your bio poem and t-shirt design. Okay, so we'll catch up on that. And then if you guys will do the Monday DGP and send that to me. Either share it with me, share the whole Google Slides with me, or write it on a piece of loose leaf and take a picture and send it to me. Okay? That's where I'd like for you guys to start. Now, there is still some extra work that you guys have to catch up on, but it's okay. We're all still learning how Google Classroom works, how everything's set up. But if you're feeling really ambitious and you've done your bio poem right here and t-shirt design, you've done this DGP 1 for Monday, you can move on and try DGP 2 for Tuesday. There'll be another video for you. Actually, there's a couple videos for this one, explaining subjects and predicates. And if you're like super ambitious today, you can open this assignment, possessive singular nouns, and look through a slideshow I've put together and practice writing some possessive singular nouns for me. And directions for that assignment will be in here as well as right here. Okay? All right, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, bye-bye.